wakey.
From what power hast thou this powerful might? With insufficiency my heart to sway, to make me give the lie to my true sight, and swear that brightness doth not grace the day? Whence hast thou this becoming of things ill, that in the very refuse of thy deeds there is such strength and warranties of skill, that in my mind thy worst or best exceeds? Who taught thee how to make me love thee more? The more I hear and see just cause for hate. Oh, though I love what others do abhor, with others thou shouldst not abhor my state. If thou unworthiness raise love in me, more worthy I to be beloved of thee.